Alright, I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I had a bloke who dropped me off a couple of these Homelite whippersnippers, and this is probably he said this one won't start. I wasn't going to even do a video. I got my spark plug tester out. I checked the spark, had good spark, and I've got the spark plug. I'll show you the spark plug. This is what comes out of it. I'll show you the sunlight. If you can see that, how well you can see it there. My finger behind it, might be able to see it a lot better. It was the plug that came out of it, and it was a bit wet. It's got a metallic shine to it. And I was looking at that and I thought to myself, with the plug wet and it got spark and it won't run, like, you know, you couldn't get it going. I thought, I wonder what it could be. Well, anyway, obviously this has been sitting around for a while. The gas he's been using was sitting around for a while, and I found out that I checked this one, started this one up. This one had was running good. He told me this one ran good, but the problem is with this one is the shaft is broken inside it. That's the problem with this one. He was going to originally swap the motor, but before he left he said, oh, if you can just get this one going without put that motor on this one, do that. And I got this one going. This one was just bad gas, so he must have had petrol in a fuel can sitting around for, you know, the last couple of years or something, and yeah, he put bad gas in it, and that's why it wouldn't go. Well, it was playing up and it was just bogging down and all that bullshit, but it wouldn't even start on this spark plug. So I just put a brand new NGK in it. I just put that plug in it there and took the CJ61 quick video to let you know to make sure you always check your fuel when you're mixing your two-stroke, because when the two-stroke fuel gets old and goes stale, it'll make it play up, and yeah, you end up taking somewhere to pay money to get it fixed if you can't fix it yourself, and you waste money. So yeah, that was just a short video. Make sure you check your gas if it doesn't go, and just check your spark plug. Always make sure you got fresh gas, because gas goes off over time, and that's what happened here. It was just simply changing the fuel and putting a new plug in it, and you're ready to go again. I'll give you a look. And yeah, she's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and have a great day.